Fins up, friends. Today I'm here to give you a walkthrough of this Trinidad Bay. Neither I nor my brokerage is affiliated with Latitude Margaritaville, LMWS, or Minto Communities. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's check it out. So as you enter, you can see straight out to the back. You'll notice your den. We're gonna start up at the front and work our way back, as this is a 3 ensuite with a half bath. So here you have bedroom. We'll work backwards. Number 3, plenty of space, and it is an ensuite. Okay, so when it's your turn to make your choices, these will be options you'll have to pick. And then you do have a half bath here so that your guests, if all the bedrooms are occupied, you still have room for people not to get in your space. So a nice expansive half bath here. And then as we move along the den, now this den space has a nook. You can turn it into a closet for sleeping space, or think creatively, wet bar, wine bar, a cigar room, whatever you can imagine. And what I like is the transoms up there, so it allows more light in, nice expansive foyer. Moving into the living room, you could make this your living room and then have a dining room table here, and then that's another sitting space. Or you could make all of this your living room and make that your dining room back there. Let's take a closer look at this kitchen. In the Trinidad Bay, you can choose to extend this island. You also have the option of doing wall-mounted ovens. This one, you can see that they chose the hood vent with the wall mount. You do have a large pantry here. Now from the kitchen, here are your views. So see, this could be your dining space, and all of this could be your open living space. Let's go check out bedroom number 2, right here off the kitchen. So you've got a moderate sized bedroom, plenty of space, and it is also an ensuite. So full 3-piece bath. You have the choice of how you want to do your tub and tile configuration. You also have your choices here, and this is either gonna be a linen cabinet or a linen closet. So again, different choices you can make there. The laundry is so large, and I love that about this model. Your washer and dryer would be here. This is your garage. Of course, you could leave this as a sink, or you could take it out, make it a dog wash, a dog bath or shower. All of this you could choose to have cabinetry installed up top or at the bottom. Great space. The main bed is located in the back corner. Generally, in all these floor plans, your bedrooms are going to be in the back with the views. A nice, large bathroom. This one, they took the tile all the way to the top, and you do have those options to pick out your tile on the wall, your tile on the floor, and of course here. You also have the cabinetry options and your countertop options. There's no way for me getting out of this video, is there? You do have your 2 sinks and so much counter space. And in this one also, it's showing the linen cabinet, or it would be a linen closet. And speaking of closets, you have dual closets here that are nice and expansive. And then I love all of the windows in the Trinidad Bay. Beautiful, letting all the light flood in. And that's what I mean by when your head's in the bed, this is your view. So this floor plan has the sliders that will pull all the way back. Typically, you will see that the patio would actually end right here where the roof line ends. But in this case, they extended the patio and it wraps around. And you do have the option of screening it in available to you as well, so that you can enjoy the continued Florida lifestyle from inside to outside. As you can see, this floor plan offers a 3-car garage, so it gives you a lot more space. You can get more details below as far as the floor plan, a link to the floor plans and anything you might be interested in. Or you're welcome to contact me at this number and I will absolutely help answer any questions that you may have. Okay, for now, this is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Bye.